Luxury, elegance, and comfort. These are the words that define five-star hotels. But have you ever wondered which cities in the world have the most of them? Today we are exploring the top 10 cities with the most five-star hotels, the ultimate destination for travelers who want to experience the best of best. Let's begin our luxurious journey. At number 10, a surprising name, Batumi, Georgia's coastal gem. Once a hidden destination, now a fast rising tourist hub with 86 five-star hotels. It's known for its beaches, modern skyline, and European style cafes. Perfect for travelers looking for something new and luxurious. At number 9, Mexico City. Colorful, artistic, and full of life. With 88 five-star hotels, this city's luxury scene is growing fast. The Four Seasons Mexico City and St. Regis combine culture, cuisine, and comfort all in one unforgettable experience. Beijing, China's cultural and political heart. With 112 five-star hotels, Beijing combines ancient charm with modern comfort. Rosewood Beijing and the Opposite House are just two examples of how the city blends history and innovation beautifully. At number 7, the City of Love, Paris. With 116 five-star hotels, this city blends art, fashion, and romance like nowhere else. Staying at Ritz Paris or Le Meurice feels like stepping into a dream, and waking up to the view of the Eiffel Tower, that's the definition of luxury. Number 6 is Manila, the capital of the Philippines. It's quickly becoming one of Asia's hottest travel spots with 127 five-star hotels. Places like Okada, Manila, and Sulare Resort offer world-class gaming, entertainment, and hospitality, all wrapped in Filipino warmth and friendliness. Next up, the city of dreams, Dubai. A desert turned into a paradise of skyscrapers and luxury. With 133 five-star hotels, Dubai has some of the most iconic resorts in the world. The Burj Al Arab, often called a 7-star hotel, is a symbol of extreme luxury. From the tallest building to the largest mall, Dubai defines what it means to live lavishly. Coming in at number 4, London, a timeless mix of reality and modern sophistication. With 162 five-star hotels, the city offers legendary names like the Ritz, the Savoy, and Claridge's. From afternoon tea to riverview suites, every detail in London whispers class and elegance. In third place, it's Bangkok, Thailand's vibrant capital. Known for its exciting nightlife, delicious street food, and warm hospitality, Bangkok has 200 five-star hotels offering comfort at surprisingly affordable prices. From Mandarin Oriental to Banana Tree Bangkok, this city is where luxury meets local culture in the best way possible. Sharing the top spot is Shanghai, the shining pearl of China. This city never sleeps, skyscrapers glitter all night, and luxury is everywhere. With 201 five-star hotels, Shanghai is Asia's modern luxury capital. The Peninsula Shanghai and Waldorf Astoria offer stunning skyline views and world-class service that make you feel like royalty. At number 1, we have the magical city of Istanbul, where East meets West, history meets modernity. With 202 five-star hotels, Istanbul offers an unmatched blend of Ottoman tradition and modern luxury. Hotels like Siragan Palace Kempinski and Four Seasons Bosphorus redefine royalty, overlooking the breathtaking Bosphorus Strait. Whether it's the architecture, the food, or the hospitality, Istanbul is pure perfection. From Istanbul's historic charm to Dubai's futuristic luxury, these cities prove one thing: the world loves to travel in style. So which of these cities would you love to stay in first? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.